We have here an 18th century map of the East Indies by Thomas Kitchin. It covers all of India across Southeast Asia, the coast of China with Formosa there, the Philippine Islands. In Borneo, we see the inland part is inhabited by a savage people, according to that annotation. The condition here on the back shows that there are some well-done old paper repairs for this tear, and there's one here, there's one there. The side margin, like so, along the edge here and here, has been backed by an old paper, so that when the map is displayed like this, you see a slight bit of wrinkle, a slight tiny little separation there, some damp staining at the top, but overall, the map still displays well. These fold lines are original. It was issued in a folded state. It's engraved with original hand color, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.